That I'm driving here right now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the all-new Audi RS5. As much power as I can on the bends, and it still sticks and sticks and sticks. That's how nice it is. Now this is a practical supercar, as you can say. Now Audi for the first time has got a 4-door version of this car. The previous versions were always 2-door, so basically this time it has been a sportback, and that makes it really practical. So the advantage of the RS5 is that you can drive this car like a sports car and also carry 4 passengers in it. That's how much fun you can have in this car, and you can literally hit triple-digit speeds in split seconds. Now powering this car is a 2.9-liter V6 engine that has been developed with Porsche, and that makes it really fun because, as you know, Porsche is known for its racing that DNA, and that it comes down to this as well. Now, company claims a 3.9 second from 0 to 100, but let's test this out and see what we get. Launch this car. So what you need to do is put traction control off, left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator, and the boost has to go all the way to max, and then you launch. So we also have the accelerometer on, so it's going to measure my 0 to 100. So let's start. Boost max. And we got a top 0 to 100 of 3.4 seconds, guys. That's 0.5 seconds faster than what Audi claims, and that too on regular fuel and having passengers with me in the car. That's amazing. This car is insane. Trust me, this car is insane. Gearbox right here is a torque converter gearbox, which Audi has put in this car. It's nice, the shifts are quick, but I think if they're given the DSG would be better, but then nothing much to complain about that one. In terms of the ride quality, now yes, it sticks to the corners well, so basically you have a little stiffer ride, but it doesn't mean that you can't live with this car. You can live with this car as a practical everyday car, and that's the best part of this. You have 3 driving modes right here. So right now I've been driving on the dynamic because we are on a highway, and that's the best thing to do in this car like this. But I also have comfort, so let's just switch it into comfort and show you that. So when I move it into comfort, basically my gearing also is shorter, so it basically shifts faster, so it becomes much more smoother. The exhaust sound also reduces, so it becomes a more livable car with not having something that is obnoxiously loud, and it handles pretty much like a normal car. And when you want that extra power, you put it in dynamic or configure your race 1, race 2 mode, a couple of gears down, and this is what you get. And you don't even need to bother about slowing down around corners, because this is how confident you're going to feel around this car. Amazing. Now this car makes around 450 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque, and that is powered to channel to four wheels, so you have a 60-40 split in this car. But if need be, you can send 85% power to the rear wheels if in case it notices a slip or some of that sort. So even with traction control off, you're never going to be out of control, and that's the best part of it. Now, talking about the exterior design of the car, it has a very nice looking design. It really looks beautiful. You have these lines flowing all around the car from the back to the front. The front looks really aggressive as well, with this huge RS grille in the front and these air channels that channel air to give you better downforce. The wheels, on the other hand, are the 19-inch wheels that are finished in silver. Now, in the international variant, you do get the 20 and 21-inch options, but the 19s really do work well on our Indian conditions, because I think if you go higher, you'll have a lot of tire bursts and stuff like that. It doesn't really make sense. The rear as well has a sport back design, so that really looks nice, and that makes the car even more practical. So you have a big boot as well, so you can store a lot of luggage in that and also go on long drives. That's another good thing about this car. Interiors, on the other hand, are really nice and sporty. I have a beautifully designed Alcantara steering wheel, guys, and this feels so nice to hold, so nice to hold. It's amazing. Talking about the seats again, they are the RS seats, so they are really nicely finished. You have Alcantara on that as well. And another nice thing is I also have massage function on it, and I can adjust my lumbar support and my bolstering to hug me better into the seat, especially when I'm on tight corners, on high speeds, and that's really nice. Apart from that, you have a nice infotainment system right here as well that has numerous amount of features, and you can go through loads of stuff on this. Also, I have a virtual instrument cluster in front of me that I have loads of information on that, and a nice sports display. And Audi has priced its car so aggressively that at 1.25 on road, you get this car in your garage. So, isn't that cool? So, does this mean that there are no flaws in this car? Or is it just perfect? No, not really. But for the price that you're paying and the car that you get, it's an amazing package. And with that,